Okay, everybody, check out this added step that my client added in order to make getting into her house a little bit easier. So you have the 2 steps with the stoop and then another step to actually get into the house. Okay, she has these amazing, very solid rails that are not only screwed into the house but also into the base. Okay, in 3 locations, 1, 2, and 3. But she was having difficulty getting up this really steep step. So what she had made or picked up was this added little step stool. Okay, and what is so great about this added step is that, look, it even has for picking up the stuff off her shoes before she gets into the house. So it's a really nice mat and very solid step stool in order to get into the house.